Beth Madison.
Madison, right?
Beth Beth.
Okay, Beth Madison.
Madison Matson.
Okay, that's
Sorry, I
correct.
hit the
You're the
fucking
right
button.
person to receive this loyalty grant amount.
Two different videos.
So, ma'am, now your
Okay.
form is ready with me. Okay, before I transfer your file to my senior accountant manager, I'm going to provide you your grant confirmation number and my senior accountant manager number in order to claim the grant money.
Okay, hold on.
Okay?
Let me get. Yeah. Yeah, hold on a second. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, ma'am, your grant confirmation number will start with a letter H like Henry,
Yeah.
then second letter L like Lima,
Okay.
followed by number 5, number 0, number 1. HL501.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, ma'am, don't disclose this grant confirmation number to any other person. Keep it safe with you until and unless your grant money is released.
Okay.
Once your grant money is going to release out through this grant confirmation number, HL501. And callback number of my senior accountant manager number is 347
Hold on. Okay.
347
Go ahead.
395
395
yeah 6228.
6228. All right.
Let me read it back. 347
Yeah.
395 6228. Is that
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am. What you need to do is right after I disconnect this call, you need to call up my senior accountant manager 347 number. Once you call up this number, you need to provide them your breast confirmation code without any single mistake.
Uh huh.
That is HL501 and claim your breast money. Right after this verification call, I'm going to transfer your phone to my senior accountant manager, who's an authorized person to release out your breast money. And your breast money is going to release out by today's now, and it will take only 10 to 20 minutes for your transaction. And your transaction will be done through a recorded line. Everything will be done through a recorded line. No worries at all, okay?
Okay.
Great. Okay, so ma'am, that's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for your kind cooperation. Enjoy your benefit from the government, and once again, congratulations for being a lawyer.
Where are you going?
I'm sorry?
Where are you going?
You need to call up this number, 347 number, right after I hung up this call, okay?
Oh, I thought you said you was. I thought you said you was transferring me. I heard that.
Okay, no, ma'am, you need to call up this number. What I'm saying is I'm going to update your phone to my accounting manager.
Well, you know what?
Yeah?
Well, it's just some shady fucking business going on here, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, this ain't real, and it's a fucking Saturday. You know, you don't put calls out on a Saturday because if you're quote working for a federal office in the United States, they're closed on Saturday. How stupid are you? He hung up on funny. Damn it. I'm gonna call him back because I don't think the other numbers will answer because I know what motherfuckers they are. Got the word out though. That's all that counts, I guess.
Hello?
What's going on there, little criminal?
You need to call up this number.
No, I ain't gonna call. I'm not gonna call no damn number. You're fucking scammers. You're fucking scammers, and you're stupid being answer calls on Saturday. You're so dumb.
Motherfucker, you. Fuck you, motherfucker.
You know you need to. No, don't say that. Buddy. Buddy won't answer now. I can't get them to answer anything, and I changed the number and changed apps and all that crap. And I even called the number that they gave me for the callback number. No answer. It didn't even work. Well, it said it wasn't available. But I let that motherfucker know that he was calling or putting out calls on a Saturday, so that makes me happy. I'll put the two numbers below, and you never know, they might work Monday, and I'll be sure to try them again. I'm going to try to go live Monday, Eastern Standard Time, at probably pretty early now, because probably like 10 or 10:30, well, maybe 10. I'm not sure yet. I'll post a notification, and it'll come up, of course, and so just keep in mind 10 a.m. Monday the 23rd, Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I know early morning, but I have to. So I guess I hope to see you all there. I'm sorry it's so early, but it's basically the only time I can do it right now. But we'll see. I'll let y'all know. Y'all have a good weekend. Peace.